In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Donation Manager. If you look under your admin functions, you'll find the Donation Manager link. And the very first thing I'm going to do is set up my PayPal account because the Donation Manager fully integrates with the PayPal system. So I'll click Edit down here. And you'll note that you need to have a business account or a Premier account to do this. Now, if you only have a personal account, it's very simple to convert over to a Premier account. We've got a link for you here with full instructions on how you can do that. All right, so that's real easy to set that up. And once you've got the Premier account or the business account, and I recommend a Premier account if you simply have a personal account again, we've got instructions down here on how to get the information needed here. The API username, API password, and API signature. Now this may look a little bit daunting at first, but it's actually all very simple. Once you've got a Premier account or a business account, in just 5 steps you can get this information here. And we've got full instructions here on how to do that. And if you're lost at all, we've got an example screen on each one of these steps telling you exactly what to click on in order to get this information. Okay? Once you've got it on step 5, you'll see that information right here. You simply copy these 3 lines of text over to the PayPal box here. Okay? And that's really all there is to it. Then submit. Once you've done that, your Donations Manager is fully integrated with PayPal, and people can pay directly to your PayPal account. Now for this example, I'm just going to type in test, test, test. So PayPal will be an option for payment. Of course, you'll have to fill that in with real data if you want it to work. All right, so that's in there now, and I'm going to go back to my Donation Manager here. And I want to add my first donation. Now there is a dedicated donations page that you can use at your option if you wish. And I'm going to come back to that in a moment. First, I'm going to set up my donations. So you'll note here I've got no donations at this time. Add your first donation. And I'm going to click on that. We're going to call this Support the Class website. And we'll go ahead and add an image here of the website. And when that finishes uploading, you'll see that pop into the blue square over here. And while that's happening, I can go ahead and complete the rest of the page. Now, if I have a dedicated donations page for displaying my donations, I can include this particular donation on that page. I'm not going to do that at the moment. You can see my image now. It has uploaded over here. If I want this donation to display along with event registration, for instance, somebody's checking out and buying reunion tickets, and you also want them to be able to donate, you can check that off here. And you can also display the donation on the home page. So there's 3 different ways to display these donations. We'll go ahead and select the home page for now. All right, and then down at the bottom here, you can allow donations in any denomination, or if you wish, you can give fixed denominations. I'll do that for this one. Each time, simply click the Add Increment button. All right, so for this donation, members must donate in increments of $10, $20, or $30. And I don't want people to be able to pay cash for this or work out collection terms. I simply want them to pay by PayPal. So I'm going to select only that option, and then click Save and close the donation details. And my first donation is now in place. So you can see my donation, Support the Class website. It's not currently displaying on a dedicated donations page. It's not part of my event registration page, and it is displaying on my home page. All right, let's go add another donation. And we'll call this one Support the Alumni Association. And again, we'll just set this one to display on the home page. And on this one, we're going to allow donations in any denomination. And again, we'll select PayPal as the only payment option. And I'll save and close donation. All right, now let's take a look at the home page now. And you can see I've got the Support the Class website donation and the Support the Alumni Association donation here on the home page. And if I want to, I can go into Edit Site Pages and move these modules around like always. If I do click Donate on any one of these two donations, I'll go to a page where I can complete my donation. Here again, we've got the options we selected. I'll do a gold donation of $20, and we'll donate $10 to the Alumni Association for a total of $30. And then I can continue to PayPal to complete my payment. All right, and let's go back to the donation manager one more time. And this time, I'm going to create a dedicated donation page. So I'm going to click this box here on the top. And we'll just call this our donations page. And we'll turn this on. And when you turn that on, you're going to notice a new link is put down here, our donation page. And of course, again, under Edit Site Pages, you can slide that into any order you want. It simply appends as the last link until you reposition it. And we can add some content. And save. And now that we have a dedicated donation page, I'm going to go back into both of my donations, and I'm going to specify that this donation display on the donation page. And we'll save and close. And again, display on the donation page. And save and close. So now, in addition to having the two donations appear on the home page, of course they're still right here where I left them, I can also click on my donations page and see both of those donations here. So just another nice way of displaying both of these donations so people don't miss them. And let's go back one more time into the donations page. And we'll add an image for this donation as well. We'll just add a logo. And any image you add will come out both on the home page and on the dedicated donation page. All right, and that's really all there is to it. I hope you enjoy the new Donations Manager.